Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are safe at their home. So now, after the interval of time, again we are back with the new chapters of class 5th. Today we will start the novel. So the name of the chapter is Taken by the Monkeys. Today we will start this chapter. One day Mowgli met the monkeys. He saw that monkeys stood on two legs like him. Monkeys always thought that they were very clever. They gave nuts and berries to Mowgli and told him that he was their brother and they want him to make leader. When Balu and Bagheera knew about it, they became very angry. They told that monkeys always lie and they had no laws. At the same time, monkeys showered nuts and leaves on their heads because they wanted Mowgli to be their leader. One day Monkey followed three of them, and when they slapped the monkeys, kidnapped the Mowgli. As you can see in the picture, Balu woke up the whole jungle with his angry cries while Bagheera tried to catch the monkeys. But monkeys were very fast and they travelled a lot. When monkeys were taking Mowgli, they saw Mowgli woke up and tried to get free of them. He saw Chil and told him to follow him so that Chil could tell about Mowgli to Balu and Bagheera. When they saw that now they are unable to find Mowgli, Balu and Bagheera thought for an idea. He told that monkeys were afraid only from one animal, and that was Kaa. He always kidnapped the baby monkeys at night. Kaa was an old and clever python. He was not a poisonous, so he had only strength power. Even he thought that poisonous snakes were cowards. Balu and Bagheera meet Kaa and they started talking normally to him. Then they talked about monkeys. Kaa became very angry because monkeys always called him with another name, which was Footless Yellow Earthworm. Then Balu told Mowgli that time Chil came and he told Balu and Bagheera the way where monkeys took Mowgli. In this chapter, students, with the help of Chil the eagle, they got the way how to reach Mowgli and how to save Mowgli. So students, this is a small summary of this chapter. Please go through the chapter thoroughly. Try to find important words meaning from inside the chapter. Now next chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.